Hey, what's up, Go Algo fam? Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to claim the GOAT Algo Trading Suite from Whop. First things first, what you need to do is to ensure that you have the ability to claim access is that you have to have connected TradingView to your Whop account. So what we're going to do is going to go into our goat-algo.net website. Then we're going to go over to accounts here, hit connected accounts. So this is where you can connect your Discord as well, so you can get direct access to our Discord. We're gonna go down to TradingView. So to find your TradingView username, we're gonna have to go on TradingView.com. TradingView.com. There we go. Then go over to the right here where your profile picture is, and it tells you what your username is. So mine is Anderson Win. So I'm gonna go back to Whop here on the tab, and then type in Anderson Win. And then from there, you hit connect. There we go. Now, what we're going to do is go down the side menu of Whop, go to your Whops, go to GOAT Algo. Then under Tools, we're going to go GOAT Algo Trading Suite. Then you can either type your name or it's going to be pre-filled already. And then you hit Claim Indicators and you get access to all 9 indicators. FYI, if you're already in TradingView, please, after you claim your indicators, refresh your TradingView and it will be inside your invite-only list for your the GOAT Algo Trading Suites. All right, then. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.